In a world that's constantly evolving, technology is at the forefront of change. And when it comes to smartphones, we expect nothing short of perfection. So, is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra ready to redefine what a flagship phone can be? Let's dive in. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 beast, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is rumored to be a formidable powerhouse, largely due to its anticipated integration of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. This chipset is expected to represent a significant leap in performance, with benchmark scores suggesting substantial improvements over previous generations. With a single-core score of 2884 and a multi-core score of 8840, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is set to deliver exceptionally high processing speeds. This level of performance implies near-instantaneous app launches, smooth multitasking, and an overall user experience that feels effortlessly responsive. The 4 GHz clock speed of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 further amplifies its performance credentials. Higher clock speeds typically translate to faster data processing and improved computational efficiency, which benefits everything from daily tasks to complex operations. This makes the S25 Ultra highly capable of handling demanding applications and high-performance gaming without lag or slowdowns. In addition to raw power, the graphics capabilities of the S25 Ultra are also expected to impress. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is rumored to feature advanced GPU improvements, which should enhance visual experiences from vibrant video playback to highly detailed and fluid graphics in games. This combination of high processing power and advanced graphics technology promises a top-tier experience for users seeking cutting-edge performance and immersive visuals in their smartphone. Satellite connectivity, the next frontier. Samsung may be on the brink of a significant breakthrough with the rumored Galaxy S25 Ultra, potentially integrating satellite connectivity into the device. This feature could redefine how users stay connected, especially in areas where traditional cellular networks are unavailable. Satellite connectivity would enable users to send messages and make calls even when they are off the grid, such as during hiking trips, outdoor adventures, or in remote locations where network coverage is sparse. The concept of satellite connectivity in smartphones has been teased by various manufacturers, but its practical implementation has often been limited. If Samsung successfully integrates this technology into the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it could offer a seamless experience that extends connectivity beyond conventional network boundaries. This would involve the phone establishing a direct link with satellites to facilitate communication, bypassing the need for cellular towers. For hikers, adventurers, and those who frequently travel to remote areas, this capability would provide a crucial safety feature and a way to stay in touch with loved ones. It would also cater to professionals who need reliable communication in challenging environments. If Samsung can deliver on the promise of reliable and efficient satellite connectivity, it could become a major selling point for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, distinguishing it from competitors and appealing to users who value connectivity regardless of their location. A new chapter to complement that powerful hardware. Samsung is reportedly working on One UI 7.0. We've heard whispers about a cleaner interface, more intuitive features, and potentially some groundbreaking customizations. This could be the software update that takes the Galaxy experience to the next level. We'll have to wait for the official release, but early reports suggest that we could see a beta version as early as August or September. Design and camera. What to expect? While we don't have concrete details yet, we can make some educated guesses about the design. Expect a familiar Samsung look, but with refined edges and possibly a new color palette. And let's talk cameras. We're hoping for even better low-light performance, improved zoom capabilities, and innovative features that set the S25 Ultra apart from the competition. Samsung has consistently delivered impressive camera systems, so we have high expectations for the S25 Ultra. Should you upgrade? So is the Galaxy S25 Ultra worth the upgrade? Well, that depends on your needs. If you're already rocking a top-tier smartphone and you are happy with it, you might want to wait and see what the full package offers. But if you're looking for a significant performance boost, satellite connectivity, and a fresh software experience, the S25 Ultra could be your next dream phone. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews as we get closer to the official launch. Hit that subscribe button for all the latest tech news. And don't forget to like and comment with your thoughts on the S25 Ultra.